The next thing we're going to work on is using the distributive property or decomposing the numbers in order to subtract with regrouping. So if all of this rigmarole didn't make sense to you, you can try looking at it instead of with models or pictures, look at it with numbers. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rewrite the same problem we used before. And I'm going to break it down into the value of the number. So each of these is going to turn into expanded form. So that means that 4 is equal to 4,000. The 3 is equal to 300. The 5 is equal to 50. And the 7 is 7 ones. And I'll do the same thing with my subtrahend. The top number is my minuend, remember? So instead of 1,648, that 1 becomes 1,000, the 6 becomes 600, the 4 a 40, and the 8 ones. And I'm remembering by putting my subtraction sign there that I'm subtracting these. I notice right away I cannot subtract in my ones place, but what I can do is take 10 away from that 50, leave that with 40 and add 10 to that 7 to give me 17. Now I can take 8 away from 17 and that leaves me with 9 remaining. I can take 40 away from 40. That leaves me with nothing left. I can put a 0 there, but there isn't a value, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump to my hundreds place. Again, the problem is I need to take 600 away and I only have 300 here. But easy peasy, I can take 1,000 from here. So I'm going to leave this with 3,000 and I'm going to add 1,000 over here to give me 1,300. Now the easiest way for me to subtract this is I break it down in my head. Instead of 600, I think of 300 and 300. 300 plus 300 is 600. What I mean is I can take 300 away from 1,300 and that leaves me with 1,000. And then 1,000 take away 300 leaves me with 700. And then lastly, I have to take 1,000 away from the 3,000 and that leaves me with 2,000. Crazy comma there. And then I can go ahead and add this up. I have 2,000 plus 700. That gives me 2,700. I don't have any hundreds to add, so all I have to do is add in that 9, and that gives me 2,709. The exact same answer that I got when I used my standard algorithm. Good job, folks.